Very good morning, students, and welcome to the SST class. We are starting the chapter 2, that is Constitutional Design of class 9. So, as the name suggests, in this chapter, what we are going to read? We will read what is Constitution, why do we need a Constitution, and how the Constitution drawn up, who designs them, and in what way. What are the values that shape the Constitution in democratic states? So let's see what are the contents. As I have told you, in this chapter we are going to read what is Constitution, why do we need a Constitution, and we will read about the Indian Constitution and South African Constitution, how the struggle against apartheid was there and the end of the policy of apartheid towards a new constitution and Nelson Mandela. The main content of this chapter: why do we need a constitution? What is the functions of the constitution? Circumstances under which the Indian constitution was drawn up, and the part 2, Indian constitution. What is the role of the Constitution Assembly for drafting the constitution? How the Indian constitution has been developed? How it is a living document? It is a detailed document. What are the guiding values of the Indian Constitution? So these are the contents. So first of all, we'll discuss what do you mean by Constitution and why do we need a Constitution. For beginning that, before I told you that what is Constitution. The Constitution is not necessary that all the countries that have a constitution are democratic. Constitution serves many purposes. If we go for the definition, the constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all the people living together in a court. Constitution is a supreme law that determines the relationship among people living in a territory called citizen, and also the relationship between the people and the government. If you will say that, I'll give you the example. You are coming to the school, there's a proper timetable and proper schedule, you are opting for that. If you are attempting a question paper, you have to answer those questions only. Wherever you go, rules and regulations are there. Then why not for the country? So for the country, when the rules and regulations are set up and that is written and all the people have to follow the rules, and government had to follow the rules also, that is known as Constitution. So what is the exact definition of the Constitution? How can a country rule without rules, without a written rules? When such a game is not possible, then how a country rule? So why do we need a constitution? First, the only way to build and maintain trust among diverse group of people having difference of opinions and interests, it took down some rules that everyone should obey. So as you know, India is a diverse country and different opinions are there. They have to be, if you want to live in one country, you have read about the secularism also, there should be a certain rules and everybody has to obey that. So 6 fundamental rights are also there. Government rules and regulations are also there. It is necessary to limit the power of the elected government lest it may misuse the power. There is a limitations of the powers of the government also. They cannot misuse or show any domination if they are elected. These rules safeguards the rights of the people, and the rights, certain rights has been written and it must be safeguarded. And it also expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a society, which kind of society and which kind of aspirations the people wanted to live. So Constitution helps to serve a set of rules and principles that all the persons in the country can agree upon as the basis of way. So we need not to read about the apartheid system because right now it has been deleted. The making of the Indian Constitution and challenges. As you know, India faced many challenges while framing the Constitution. India's Constitution was drawn up under very difficult circumstances. We have faced the 3 problems. The making of the Constitution for a huge and diverse countries like India was not easy. The country was born through a partition on the basis of religious differences. Unification of the princely states. The makers of the constitution had anxiety for the present and the future of the country. So in the next topic, we are going to detailed description of making of the Indian Constitution. Thank you so much for attending the class. Looking forward for your replies, and please read the NCERT. Thank you so much.